This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in South Richmond. More specifically, I am off the Hull Street corridor. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is located here in a relatively new subdivision by City of Richmond standards. As you may well be aware, Richmond is a historic city, and we have many neighborhoods that are over 100 years old. This home, however, is 5 years old. So we've got a modern floor plan. We've got a nice big porch here. Great place for a couple rocking chairs. Enjoy the nice winter evenings if you're so inclined. As we come in, to the left is our family room, our hallway taking straight back to the dining area, and of course our steps going upstairs. We're going to start off here in the family room, and one of the first things you may realize is that we don't have any finished flooring here on the family room floor. And what I imagine happened was that we had water damage here at some point. And the reason I say that is we see here we've got sheetrock that was replaced. On the other side of that sheetrock is a powder room. And I imagine that's what happened. And when that happens oftentimes with bank and government-owned homes, they'll just rip out the finished flooring and let the purchaser take care of it. Now, that's not a big deal, except deferred maintenance can be an issue with some type of loan programs. For example, FHA would see this and they'd say, there's no finished flooring. That means the house needs work. That means a new buyer is going to have to bear that expense. We really don't want that to happen. So what they will do, if someone's buying a government home like this with an FHA loan, there is what they call an escrow. The purchaser will put the money that is needed to finish that flooring, and when they are finished, they simply hire a contractor to do that, and that money is released to the contractor. That way the lender knows that work is going to be done and the house is in what they call financeable condition. There are some loan programs that are stricter than others. VA loans are notorious for being very strict. 6 months ago, a veteran that wanted to buy this home with a veteran's loan could not do it because this deferred maintenance would basically red flag the home. However, there are some lenders now with VA that will put money in escrow, and then a veteran can buy this home just like anyone else. So that's great news. A lot of people don't know that. If you're not paying attention to the lending industry or talking to loan officers on a regular basis, you wouldn't know that. So if you are a fellow veteran, that is a great benefit and definitely is going to work to our advantage moving forward. We can see we have an alley type arrangement here in the backyard. This is unusual for new construction. We don't see this very often, but it's nice because now you free up the front street for parking, and you have a parking slab, of course, here in the back. This is where the garbage trucks come, and it just makes it a really nice way to keep the front of the home looking good. If you've ever seen a neighborhood on trash day in the front and all these trash cans, it just looks kind of tacky. Okay, we're going to transition on through to our powder room. The wood floor here was pulled up partially here. There's not a lot of wood left, so someone that came back would probably just be better just to pull up the rest of the wood and just go back with new flooring. You don't have to go back with wood if you don't want to. That would be the purchaser's choice. There is that replacement drywall that I talked about, and that's probably what happened. There's probably a leak in here, and they just went ahead and pulled out that drywall. All right, that is going to be our powder room. Directly across is a closet, convenient there underneath the staircase. All right, we're going to go on upstairs and take a look upstairs. The thing I love about a home like this is it's very affordable. If you have a household income between $35,000 and $40,000, normal debt load, and appropriate credit score, you can buy this home. If you don't have appropriate credit score, then you need to talk to me, because we've got people in the business that are excellent at getting that score where it needs to be. All it takes is a phone call and a little bit of effort, and you can be in a position where instead of watching these videos, maybe the next house I go through will be yours. And you can say, hey, Max videotaped my house that I was able to buy that he helped me get into. You guys know that one of my goals for 2019 is to come up with more win stories, more underdog stories, more people that thought they would never be able to buy more people that were beat up by life and bounce back. And at the end of 2019 are now homeowners. That is one of my goals. The numbers are kind of secondary. I want stories. You guys know I'm a storyteller, and that's exactly what I want to do. This is bedroom number 2. Not quite as bright, but I think it's actually a little bit larger than the last one that we were in. Walls are neutral. The carpet looks good in here. Carpet is definitely serviceable. It does not look like 5-year-old carpet up here on the second floor. We're moving into our hall bath. Hall bath is a little dark. I apologize. Uncle Sam is not a big believer in turning on the lights in these homes. And so as a result, we've got to deal with the darkness. I think there's enough light for you guys to see. And going into our master bedroom now, good size master. One of the things I love about this floor plan is that we have a closet that is actually in the bathroom. And that's nice and convenient because it frees up a wall from having an additional door. You've got 2 doors here. If you had a closet, then that would kind of mess up another wall. And so now you've got maximum flexibility when it comes to laying out your master bedroom. Really good, bright master bath here. Walk-in closet. We've got this nice deep garden tub. You could probably get a family of 3 in there. Well, you guys know what I mean. I'm not telling that didn't sound quite right, but you guys know what I mean. You could get a lot of body in there. Whether you're one person or 2 people, you guys know what I mean. Whatever. All right, this is our walk-in shower. Nice big shower, and that's adequate. But I'm going to go ahead and replace that for you anyway. Use me as your buyer's agent. Our walk-in closet that I mentioned earlier is right here, and good size, very proportional in consideration. That's one reason I really like this modern type floor plan. Is it's so functional for today's lifestyle. You know, older homes, sometimes you have these real tiny closets. Not in this one. Good looking house. I've gotten a lot of feedback from people on videos. You guys, some of you actually speak every time you watch, and I really appreciate that. It makes me feel good to know that I'm being watched and appreciated. Hopefully you're learning something. And if you know someone that should be a homeowner, or even if they just need to rent to own, starting from $12.50 a month and up, that would be awesome as well. Max Williams, 402-7788. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. I want to wish you guys happy holidays, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.